In this guide, you'll learn how to remove songs from Instagram post. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the post from which you want to remove the music. Click on three dots. To remove the song, you'll need access to partnership label option, which only appears if your account is set to professional account. If you don't see this option, go to your profile. Now click on three bars, scroll down, head over to the section of professionals, tap account type and tools and switch to professional account. Follow the prompts, select create or business depending on your preference and complete the setup. Once your account is switched, close and reopen Instagram if needed. Return to the post, tap three dots again and select partnership label. The first time you do this, Instagram may guide you through a short setup process. After that, tap Add Paid Partnership and select Done. As soon as you apply the partnership label, the music attached to the post will be removed and will no longer play, with no audio option remaining on the post. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.